When we are talking about the section formula, we can have a case where P divides a line segment AB in the ratio m:n, but P could lie outside the line segment. When this happens, we say that P divides the line segment AB externally. If the coordinates of A and B are x1, y1 and x2, y2, and the coordinates of P are xy, now we have PA is to PB is m:n, so we can assume the length PA to be some mk and the length PB to be some nk. So we get the length AB as n minus m times of k. Now on this line segment, A divides PB internally. So we have AP is to AB is equal to m is to n minus m. If we apply the section formula for the internal point A, we get x1 y1 is equal to m x2 plus n minus m x by m plus n minus m, and my2 plus n minus m y by m plus n minus m. This m will get cancelled off. If I compare the x coordinates, we get nx1 is equal to mx2 plus n minus m into x. So we get the coordinate of P. The x coordinate of P will be mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. Similarly, the y coordinate will get as my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. This variation is called the external section formula.